Hi altogether, welcome to a short PixInsight bug wrap-up video. It's about a file I/O error in weighted batch pre-processing script in version 2.4.1, but also in earlier versions. Let me show you. When you receive this error, file I/O error, unable to create directory, Windows 32 error 267, then you know that something on Windows file system level went wrong. And if you think, hey, that was working previously with an older version or the batch pre-processing script completely fine, then you're right. As mentioned by the PixInsight staff, since version 2.2.0, the colon character has become a valid char for fits keyword values. When you now, let's say in Nina, give a filter a name with a colon inside, then it is stored in the fits header filter name value. When PixInsight is using this value unmodified for folder creation, then this problem appears. Fortunately from PixInsight it was signaled that this issue will be fixed soon. That's all for this short bug report video. Stay nominal, clear skies, bye.